Hello everyone, how have you been? I am going to teach you some exercises for your neck and shoulders. If you feel any tightness and stiffness around your neck and shoulders for next 20 minutes, only focusing on this area, especially for those who have tight and immobility or inflexibility around your neck and shoulders. So these are the exercises that let's do it for 20 minutes round. Right? You can start with placing your hands by the side of your mat, slowly raising your right arm up. Inhale, hold above your left ear and gently pulling your head towards your right. Now you feel a nice and comfortable stretch running down from your ear and all the way up towards your arms without hunching your back, keeping your core engaged. Stay here. Inhale and exhale, practicing abdominal breathing. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming back to center. Inhale, right arm up and down. I'm doing the left so that we do it from the same direction. Your left arm comes up. Inhale, grab and exhale, stretch without looking up or down, just pulling it to the side comfortably, holding the pose here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Comfortably holding without overstretching it. One more deep breathe in. Breathe out, slowly coming back to center. Bring your arms and down. Slowly placing your palms together, thumb underneath your chin, and lift your chin up, pushing your chin up towards the ceiling, looking up. Hold here, inhale and exhale at a comfortable range. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming back to center. No quick movements, especially around your neck, especially around the spine. Interlacing the fingers and placing your hands at the back of your head. Elbows open, shoulders relaxed, and slowly pulling your head down, chin towards your collarbone, and holding it here. Inhale and exhale, feeling a nice gentle stretch at the back of your neck. With some, it might not be a comfortable pose, so you do not do it. Skip. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming up and bringing your arms down. Now this one is a little tricky, so be mindful and careful. Turning your head towards your right side, 45-degree in direction of your knee, and slowly bringing your right arm up, grabbing at the top of your head, gently pulling your head down where you will feel like you're almost looking at your underarm, and a nice and gentle easy stretch. Now be careful around here. Inhale and exhale. Make adjustments if you don't feel the stretch. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, slowly coming up, turning your head. Take a moment, arms down, And looking over towards the left side, 45. Left arm up, inhale. And pulling your head down towards your left side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in, deep breath out. Slowly paying attention to the muscles that you're stretching, paying attention to your breath. Be mindful as much as possible throughout the practice. Slowly placing your hands on the top of your shoulder, rotation. Inhale, elbows forward and upwards, backwards. Exhale and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, up an arch, exhale, back and down. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, coming up, back, exhale, down. Inhale, coming up, exhale, back and down. The other way around. Inhale, exhale, forward rotation. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, keeping your head parallel, chin parallel to the floor, head in line with your spine. Inhale and exhale, slowly bringing your arms down and relax. Make adjustments, catch your breath, take your time, and always listen to your body. Alright, now from here, you bring your right arm overhead, bend it behind, not to the other side, behind your right shoulder. Grab your right elbow and pull it up and backwards, and hold the stretch here. You'll feel the stretch from your shoulder blades, underarms, triceps, holding it here. Inhale and exhale. Tightness around your underarms, shoulder blades, triceps, muscles surrounding your neck also makes difference. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly bring your arms down. Relax, take your time. Left arm up, inhale, place it back. Grab your elbow and pull it back. Holding it here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale, keeping your core engaged. Inhale and exhale, slowly bring your arms down and relax. Now, slowly interlace your fingers, hands at the back of your head. Now, this is very tricky, at the same time really beneficial, so try to get it. Try opening your elbows, shoulders down, and push your head into your palm. After pushing, lift your chin up. You might already start to feel stretch around and strengthening around your neck and your upper back, all the way up below your head, even perhaps shoulders if you have a little weaker shoulders. Stay here, pushing your head through your palm, opening your elbow. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. And then I want you to grab a strap or belt or shawl, something that is still, that is not stretchable. Place it on the top of your knee, perhaps this distance. It could be wider or shorter, doesn't matter. Find that range between your hands and start rotating your shoulders back Inhale and exhale down. Inhale without compromising on bending your elbow and bending the strap. Keep it open if you need to. Make it a comfortable floor to start with. As you go up and down, you will feel loosen up and stretch, and then you can bring them closer. Inhale and exhale. 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 Inhale and exhale, listening to your own body without overdoing them. Gently, slowly turn around and come into doggy pose, where your wrists are below your shoulder, knees are below your hips. It's good for your whole spine, not only at the back of your neck. Inhale, arching your back. Exhale and curl. Inhale and arch. Exhale and curl. Inhale and arch. Exhale, curl. Inhale and arch. Exhale and curl. One more time. Inhale and arch. Exhale and curl. Slowly back to center. Now we're going to do this little gentle twist. So where you will open your arm up without turning your hips around. With an exhalation, bring it underneath and place it down. Your hands, right palm and your head next to each other. And if you need a block, you can always do it on a block with your head and shoulder on the block. And as you feel more and more comfortable, you can always bring your hands in front and hold here. Inhale and exhale without moving your hips to the side. Then you will not stretch. Keep your hips right above your knees. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more deep breath in. Deep breathe out. Coming back to center. Hands back. Help yourself. Come back to center here. Now from here, the other side. Inhale with your right. Exhale, curl. Twisting, dropping your head down, arms down, hips sliding to the center. And bringing your left arm in front. Hold here. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, paying attention to the breath and the muscles that you're stretching. And slowly come back up. Now this time, we'll try to get a grab of a block, hold of a block. I have two in front of me. What I'm going to do is place them a little bit in front and place my elbow on the top. So this elbow can be actually below your 90 degree. If you're very flexible, it goes a little forward. For me, I need a little forward. So make an adjustment where your hands can be together here, pushing your bum back, still maintaining your hips above your knees. If you still don't need to go, you can still take them further if you want. And slowly. Now if you have a really painful, a very tight shoulders, you might not want to do this, but try to come to this position. This is one way of doing it. Stay there. If this is too uncomfortable for you, you can make it easy by bringing your hands forward and just going up to wherever you feel a comfortable stretch and hold here. Now again, if this is too low for you, grab the block, make sure it's not slippery, break your nose, go up to wherever you feel a comfortable stretch and hold the stretch here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly sit back on your child pose. Hold here. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly come up and sit. So a few tips, and after the few tips I will give you few strengthening exercise for your neck. Well, I will not hold and do for long, but before you start to do the strengthening exercise, make sure you build yourself, make yourself a little more flexible around it, because when they are really tight and inflamed especially, you don't want to do the strengthening exercises. Yeah, the tip, please remind yourself to sit without shrugging your shoulders. Most of the time when you are in the middle of your work, you tense them. When you are in a different state of mental, you tend to tense them. So try to keep them consciously throughout the day. Relax, relax, relax. So a few strengthening exercises can be: 1, shoulder rotation on your side, backwards and forwards. 2, flapping or just moving your arms up and down. You can do these 10 to 20 times, but start with maybe 5 or 10 or 15, and then slowly going up and palm facing up, using your arms here. Very simple, but you do this for a little longer, you will know it. 3, bring your arms in the front, open, close, open, close, open, close. The next one, bringing your hands by the side of the shoulder, you can bring them up and down. Exhale when you go up, and inhale down, up and down. Then you can bring your arms to the front, close them and open, close them and open, close and open. Now remember all of this. You can also do this once you start to build strength. You can do with the dumbbells. Start with half kg and then 1 kg and then 2 kg. But when you start with 10 counts into 2 times. If you find 10 is too easy, do it 15 into 2 times. 15, rest, catch your breath, 15 more. If you still find 15 very less, do for 20 and rest and do for another 20. So slowly building up your strength by increasing the repetitions and the set. And still you find it too easy, start picking up a little light weights. Start with half and 1 and then 2, and slowly you will become stronger, and you are bound to become stronger if you do it consistently. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.